As a small business owner, finding the right CRM can make or break how you manage relationships and grow. After testing dozens, here are my top 5 CRM tools designed specifically with small businesses in mind. At number 5 is Fresh Sales. It's affordable, easy to set up, and packed with features like built-in phone, email, and lead scoring. If you're new to CRM, Fresh Sales keeps things simple without feeling limited. Coming in at number 4 is Zoho CRM. It's incredibly customizable and integrates with pretty much everything. Perfect if you're juggling sales, marketing, and support across tools. Plus, the free tier is one of the most generous around. Number 3 is Pipedrive. If you love visual pipelines and staying on top of deals, this one's for you. It's designed to boost sales productivity and is super intuitive, great for smaller sales teams with big goals. At number 2, I recommend HubSpot CRM. The base plan is free and it scales well as your business grows. You get email tracking, deal stages, and even marketing tools built in. It's clean, powerful, and surprisingly flexible. And finally, my top pick, Monday Sales CRM. It's part of the broader Monday.com platform, so if you're already using it for project management, the CRM feels like a natural extension. It's customizable, modern, and lets you automate repetitive workflows with ease. At the end of the day, the best CRM is the one that fits your workflow and team. But these 5 are a great place to start, and they won't break your budget.